His house was not in front of him. The companions and Abu Bakr Siddiq, while worshipping and praying, they were facing towards Kaaba. And the door of Holy Prophet was on extreme right. Standing there was on extreme left. Extreme left. So they were not watching towards the door of Holy Prophet. They were watching towards the direction of Kaaba. They were concentrating on the place of prostration. And they were busy in their prayer when Holy Prophet ﷺ raised the curtain to see how his companions, how his servants, how his beloveds, and how his true followers are worshipping behind Abu Bakr Siddiq. So his effulgent face of Holy Prophet, when it came, the illuminated pages, they see when we saw the face of Holy Prophet, it looked like the open pages of Holy Quran. The shining face of Holy Prophet looked like the illuminating page of Quran. Seemed to be illuminated. When he glanced at the ritual prayer in progress, he felt pleased and then he smiled. I am quoting this hadith from Bukhari and Muslim, muttafaq alayh, unanimous hadith. And he said, we had nearly ended and broken our ritual prayer because of the extreme love and joy in order to see the shining face of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They were busy in praying. They were facing towards Kaaba. And the door of Holy Prophet ﷺ was on extreme left to them. His door was not in front of them. They were busy in worshipping Almighty Allah. Look how to restore the balance of faith today. How to bring back our lost beauty of faith back today. And what is the topic? Restoring how to restore the balance of Iman. How to restore the balance of faith. How to restore the balance between connection to Allah and connection to Holy Prophet. How to restore this Iman, balance of Iman. Look at the practice and Sunnah and Seerah and faith of the companions. Nobody in this whole world does possess the better degree of Iman than companions. No one in this world possessed the better state of Iman than Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman and Ali. And I am quoting a unanimous hadith from Bukhari and Muslim. And it's not matter of one companion or two companions. The whole Jamaat of the Sahaba were praying behind Abu Bakr Siddiq. When Holy Prophet ﷺ took up the curtain of his house in order to watch how my loving companions are praying and worshipping Almighty Allah. And he was on their extreme left. Extreme left. He was not in front of them. When they heard removing the curtain, they understood that Hazrat Aisha or the wives of Holy Prophet, they can't remove the curtain. This can only be Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has removed the curtain, and definitely he must be standing on the door while they were praying and worshipping Almighty Allah. So everybody look at extremity of the love of companions. This is how we have to restore the balance. This is how we have to bring the balance of Iman back to our lives. This is how we have to achieve the success of Iman. And this is how we have to create the true balance of faith in our actual lives through the practice and conduct and behaviors of the companions. So what did the companion do when they heard the removal of curtains? They turned their faces from Kaaba towards Kaaba of Kaaba. Face of Prophet Muhammad was the Kaaba of Kaaba. Kaaba was in front of their eyes, and Kaaba of Kaaba was in front on the left side of the mosque. They forget the direction of Kaaba. They forget in which condition they were standing. Look at the position of love of the Holy Prophet, of the companions. Look their ishq, look their love, look their mahabbah, look their attachment, look their loyalty, look their spiritual condition of heart. They turned their faces towards the door of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And hadith of Bukhari says, فَحَمَمْنَا أَن نَسْتَعْتِنَا مِنَ الْفَرْحِ بِرُؤْيَةِ النَّبِيِّ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ. And when we gazed, when we saw the shining, the beautiful face of my beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the curtain was raised, every companion forgot his worshipping, forgot the state of salat. Everybody was indulged in wishing, in looking into the beauty of face of Holy Prophet, their beloved. They forgot in which condition they were standing in, what act they were performing. They got busy in gazing the beauty of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, looking at him. And then the beautiful words. This was what happened to the companions. And this situation created a big change. Because when Holy Prophet's face came in front of them, their illuminating face created some lights which affected Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq. He understood that Holy Prophet must have come out while praying Almighty, worshipping Almighty Allah. Out of the respect and reverence of Holy Prophet, Abu Bakr Siddiq left his musalla and came back. Siddiq Akbar is leaving his musalla. Here lies the concept of combination between Tawheed and Risala. Today the people just talk of Tawheed, a blind concept of Tawheed. They don't understand what Tawheed is and where Tawheed has come from. They don't understand what concept of Risala is and what kind of devotion, attachment and love the concept of Risala demands from us. Here is a combination of Tawheed and Risala. If we want to restore the balance of Iman in our lives, we have to follow the footsteps of Abu Bakr, Umar and Usman and Ali. We have to follow the footsteps of the companions from Bukhari and Muslim, muttafaq alayh. So they forgot their state. All of them turned towards the face of Holy Prophet. فَحَمَمْنَا أَن نَسْتَعْتِنَا مِنَ الْفَرْحِ بِرُؤْيَةِ النَّبِيِّ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ. These are the words of Sahih Bukhari. That everybody, when he gazed and saw the beautiful shining face of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they forgot their prayer, and everybody was just absorbed in looking into the beauty of the face of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Abu Bakr Siddiq left his musalla and joined the first line and vacated the musalla for Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this was the condition. If we want to restore the Iman, if we want to restore the balance of Iman, the love and obedience, if we want to restore the balance between the connection to Holy Prophet and following of Holy Prophet, we have to follow the footsteps of the companions and Khulafa al-Rashideen and the Sunnah of them. So when whole scenario was changed, then Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and whatever they did, they had nearly ended a hadith. They say we had nearly ended our ritual prayer due to the extreme joy of having blissful and heartening glimpse of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam face.